Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. To all my dear viewers, today I'll be solving exercise 6.2 question number 2. As we can see in question number 2, it is written clearly that if AB parallel to CD, CD parallel to EF and Y is to Z equal to 3 is to 7, find the values of X, right? We have to find the values of X using whatever things that it is given to us. One thing which is given in the questions, it is the figure. As we are given with the figures that we can see in figure 6.29, we will use this one. Alright? Now to begin this, first let me write the solution. And after that what it is given, let me write it again. As we can see here, it is given to us AB is parallel to CD, and right after this we have again CD, which is parallel to EF. Alright, and we have again that is Y is to Z, which is equal to 3 is to 7. What is the thing that we need to find? It is X. Then let us move to the next. After that, as we can see here, what is that? X plus Y. X plus Y, which is interior angle on the same side of the transversal, which we call it as, if we add this two, let me name this as P and this as Q. Okay, so this kind of angles, whenever you add, then the sum will be 180 degree. So let me write here, X plus Y equal to how much? It is 180 degree. Why? It is because angle on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Actually, the reasons why we got a 180 degree, it is because X and Y are the angles on the same side of the transversal, that is PF. That is PQ. So whatever angles that it is in the same side, whenever you add this, that it will get 180 degree, which we call it as sum of angle on the same side of the transversal, right? And what it is given to us, this one. But before this, let me take this one. What is that? AB parallel to CD, and after that what do we have? It is CD parallel to EF. Now let me check here, AB parallel to 1, that is CD, CD parallel to what is that? That is EF. Means this line is parallel to this one, and this line is parallel to this one, means parallel to each other with this one, right? At last, this line AB will be parallel with EF. Since EF is parallel with CD and AB is parallel to CD, thus AB must be parallel with EF. Then after that, let's move to the next, which is X and Z. Now X and Z should be equal. The reason is that since AB is parallel to EF, AB is parallel to EF in a parallel lines, if there is an alternate angles, then those alternate angles should be equal. Here we have X and Z as alternate angle, because of that these two will be equal. Alternate interior angle. Now everything is clear, right? Then let us move to the last part. Here we are about to find the values of X. As we can see here, X is equal to Z. Now it's time for finding the values of X. But before this, let us use this one. Means Y is to Z. Instead of Z, what can we write? Instead of Z, as it is equal with X, we can write X. Means it is 3, 7. Okay. Then let us use formula 1. What is that? Formula 1. We have X plus Y equal to how much? It is 180 degree. then it is about to find the values of x. So let me write it x directly, and what is that? It is x values is how much? It is 3. Sorry, it is 7. And under this, let me add this to 180 degree. Now 7 by 10 into 180 degree, then 18 will give you 180 degrees. 7 times 18, 18 into 7, how much would it be? It is 126 degree. All right, so that's all for today. I hope everyone can understand it. So if possible, then we will continue within the next class. That's all.